So I'm here with Olia, and we were thinking about the expression to kill two birds with one stone, and it has nothing to do with this bird. So what does to kill two birds with one stone mean? You're not really going to kill any birds or any wildlife. But what it means is that you're going to do something in a very efficient manner, usually two or more things, almost simultaneously. So as example, you have to go to the bank, but you also have to go to the store to buy something. So on your way to the bank, you stop at the store, you buy what you need, you go to the bank. So you've killed two birds with one stone. Now, I want you to know that no birds were harmed or killed in the taping of this short video. And we hope that you enjoy the expression to kill two birds with one stone and you use it appropriately.